When you pair the fun, adventure, and style of a Thor Motor Coach Chateau with the luxury and technology of Mercedes-Benz, you get today's featured floor plan, the Chateau 24WS. The Sprinter chassis delivers 188 horsepower and 325 pound-feet of torque to your 24WS. The leather-wrapped wheel features audio controls, and the infotainment center with Bluetooth connectivity has all the bells and whistles you need to keep you entertained on the drive. The 24WS is laid out so you are never far from what you need and nothing is ever out of reach. The kitchen shows off a large double-bowl stainless steel sink, 3-burner gas cooktop, flip-up countertop extension, convection microwave, and double-door fridge. Directly across, the booth dinette where you can enjoy your meal, or put your feet up, read a book, or catch up on your favorite movies with the Blu-ray player. This is also a quick change artist as the booth dinette converts into a bed. The overhead bunk with safety net is easy to climb into even with the captain's chair spun around. When bedtime calls, the full-size bed ensures a great night's sleep. You'll also find large, high-sheen solid wood cabinets overhead, offering up storage for all your gear and supplies. So how about this bath setup? Having your sink on one side of the door and shower on the other makes it easy for more than one person to wash up at the same time, and with the tankless hot water heater, everybody gets all the hot water they need. Outside, the 24WS features a power patio with LED lighting, an optional TV, large illuminated storage bays, your generator, and this propane connection when the mood strikes to fire up the grill. This is the Chateau 24WS from Thor Motor Coach. You've waited long enough. Now build yours at thormotorcoach.com.